With the launch of Samsung's Galaxy Note 9 less than 3 weeks away, it's almost certain that this new flagship Android smartphone will have a similar look and design to its predecessor, the Note 8, but with a slightly larger screen, a larger battery and other top-of-the-line improvements and features. But it seems that some units might already be in the wild, as one looked like to have been unboxed on video. So this video is uploaded by my smart device. The video shows a specs list on the back of the box, revealing a Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED screen at 6.3 inches with the rounded corners. The list also includes 6GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, a pair of 12-megapixel rear cameras, an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, IP68 dust and water resistance, an iris scanner, wireless charging and AKG-tuned earphones. There's no chipset listed, but given the seemingly European charger in the box, it probably uses the Exynos 9810, whereas the US version will likely use the Snapdragon 845. The design of the Note 9 itself also matches previous leaks, with a glass back, a curved display and a look that's generally a lot like the Samsung Galaxy Note 8's, other than the position of the cameras and fingerprint scanner. However, there is one red flag, as Packet now notes that the font used on the screen sticker isn't one Samsung typically uses for the range, so take this with a pinch of salt, it could be a fake. So guys, what do you think about this Galaxy Note? Drop a comment to let us know. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech news. See you in the next one.